Good day, my name is Mark Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in Apple Valley facing financial difficulties, so I wanted to discuss with you some of the differences between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy for those of you in financial difficulty thinking about filing a bankruptcy petition. One of the first distinctions to make between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is as to the type of bankruptcy it is. In a Chapter 7 filing, you're discharging all your debt to your creditor. In a Chapter 13 filing, you're repaying a portion of that debt. Could be 90 cents on the dollar, could be 10 cents on the dollar. That's set forth by the amount of income you make, the amount of debt you're carrying, and the trustee. But nonetheless, you're repaying a portion of that debt in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. The second distinction is the amount of time for each of the filings. With a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you discharge all the debt in about 90 to 120 days, whereas a Chapter 13 bankruptcy takes about 3 to 5 years of repayment in order to discharge all your debt and receive the discharge order from the court. Now, you might ask, well, why would I want to file a Chapter 13? Why don't I just file the Chapter 7? The reason for that is the means test. Under Chapter 7, you must pass what's called the means test, which means that you have to have a income that falls below the California statutorily provided median income. And if it falls above that after deductions and dependents, then Chapter 7 is unavailable to you. It's only if your median income is below that you can file a Chapter 7. In a Chapter 13, however, there's no means test that needs to be passed, so you can just file for your Chapter 13. And finally, you might ask, well, why would I want to file a Chapter 13 if I passed the means test and could file a Chapter 7? Well, there might be one circumstance where you'd want to do that, and that is in the case of lien stripping. For those of you who don't know what lien stripping is, it's the process by which you remove the second mortgage or the second encumbrance from your home after the filing of bankruptcy. The bankruptcy court discharges second from your home. You have to make the payments during the bankruptcy and complete that repayment period, but once you do, the court can strip the second from your home, giving you immediate injection of equity back into the home. And that might be a primary motivation for you to file the Chapter 13. Of course, you've got to make sure that the property value falls below the value of the first in order to do that. But if that's the case, you may be able to lien strip the second from your home and benefit you by discharging all your debt, including the second mortgage from your home. If you have some of those circumstances that you're involved in or some other issues that you want to raise, feel free to give my office a call, set up an appointment either by telephone or in person. We'd be happy to discuss it with you.